can dream of me. Come, Kelly, move, Kelly. Instead of watching me, you should be reaching me. Come, Kelly, move, Kelly.